Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Lee. I come from Bukit Mertajam and now I'm staying in Kluang Johor. So welcome to my program to everyone out there, especially SPM candidates 2023-2024. And of course Form 4 students, so much the better. At least you have 1 year ahead of you, so you can learn about this. Now today I'm going to point out to you. I'm going to give you guidelines. What you should know, or what should you know before you enter the examination hall for your kemahiran mendengar, for your listening test Bahasa Melayu. So for now, I'm going to give you some guidelines. I'm going to tell you what to expect for your Bahasa Melayu kertas 4. Paper 1103/4. For this paper, you are given 30 minutes. You are given 30 minutes. And in this 30 minutes, you are given 4 to 6 petikan or passages. 20 to 25 questions. So what do you need to know? You need to know, number one, that you have 30 minutes to do the whole paper, because you have to jawab semua soalan. All questions must be answered. There are no such thing as 4 questions you choose 2 or 6 questions you choose 3. No, every question you need to answer. And jawapan ditulis pada ruang jawapan yang disediakan di dalam kertas peperiksaan. So I'm sure you understand that you have to write your answer in the question paper. You are not given answer sheet. You have to answer in the question paper itself. So if it is ABC, circle the correct answer. If lines are drawn for you, write out the answer. That's what you should do. Okay? Objective, subjective, meaning to say the questions, some are objective and some are subjective. You have to write out the answer. As mentioned just now, there are 4 to 6 passages in your listening test. So we don't know for this year 2023-24 SPM Bahasa Melayu kemahiran mendengar, how many passages you are given. Could it be 4? Or can it be 5 or can it be 6? We don't know until the exam, until the test. And then in the 4 to 6 passages, there are 20 to 25 questions which you have to answer. The full marks, marka penuh, is 30 marks. So 30 minutes for 30 marks. 25 or 20 to 25 questions. Petikan dibaca 2 kali. So you are given a chance to listen the second time. So that means every passage will be read 2 times. So you can listen 2 times, it means. Number 8, 1 minit sebelum mendengar petikan untuk membaca soalan. So you are given 1 minute to run through the questions before you actually listen to the audio. So to the recorded passage. So it means to say that you are given some time to read through, but of course it's only 1 minute. When you are given the 1 minute, baca soalan, read the question. Ketahui apa soalan kehendaki. Understand what the question wants. It's very important. What does the question want? Baca pilihan jawapan. If you are given A, B, C, D, during that 1 minute, look at the choices given. Semua elemen yang dinyatakan dalam rakaman mesti kamu tulis semula dalam jawapan. What does it mean? It means to say, whatever they say, you must listen and write down. Okay, see anak? Tulis semula. Write again what you have heard, what you have listened. Then you can get marka penuh, you can get full marks. Perkataan yang didengar tidak boleh ditukar dengan perkataan lain sama makna. What does it mean? It means to say, you cannot use your own words, although the words are of the same meaning. Take for instance, you may same meaning. You see, what are the words with the same meaning? Let us say balik, okay, balik ke rumah. So ayah telah balik ke rumah pada masa itu. So then you start to think, you want to write the answer, but you forgot balik, but you know that the answer is come home. So never mind, I read pulang ke rumah. So is it accepted? No. Because you cannot write words of the same meaning. It must be, tulis semula means to say exactly the same. If you heard pulang, you write pulang. If you heard balik, you write balik. You cannot write balik, but in the audio it is, or in the recorded passage they say balik, but you write pulang. Or they say pulang, you write balik. Then you think, it's the same meaning. No, it's not accepted. This is not what is required for your listening test. Kalau boleh, if you can, tulis dalam ayat lengkap dengan gramatis. If can, write the whole sentence out with the correct grammar. But if you cannot, tidak salah kalau memberi terus jawaban. So, well, you are encouraged actually to write the full sentence with the correct grammar, with the full sentence, complete sentence. But if you cannot, what happens? Tidak salah. It is not wrong if you just write the answer. Example. Tempat yang mereka melawat ialah Taman Negara. Actually, this is the full sentence. You get 2 marks. But let us say you are not able to do it. Maybe you have forgotten. Maybe you can't write fast enough. Because you understand that the recording will go on and on and on. They are not going to wait for you. So let us say, wow, I can't recall the whole sentence. But I know the answer is Taman Negara. Never mind. Just write Taman Negara. You also get 2 marks. Alright? And another example is, what happens if you cannot remember every word? Let us say the answer is in 5 words. For example, menulis novel dan buku cerita, or membaca novel dan buku cerita, let us say. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You write all the 5 words, you get 2 marks. But let us say you forgot, or you cannot recall, or you can't write fast enough. All you can recall is menulis and then novel. So you write menulis novel because you can't remember, you can't recall, you just can't write dan buku cerita because it just slip your mind. Well, you still get 1 mark for writing menulis novel. Or you can write menulis buku cerita. Now you can write, maybe you can't remember novel, but you remember buku cerita. So you write menulis buku cerita. Well, you still get 1 mark. 1 mark. That means half correct. So what I want to tell you is this. Do not leave empty lines. Lines are drawn for you, just leave it empty. Write something. Whatever you can recall, whatever you can remember, just write down. You see, you can at least get 1 mark. What I'm trying to tell you is, don't hang in your exam paper without writing anything anywhere. I'm trying to tell you that every question that is given, you write something. You may not be able to write the full thing, but at least write something. Whatever you heard, just write. You can at least get 1 point, 1 mark. Rather than to leave it empty. Oh, I can't remember, so I will skip to the next question. I don't think you should do that. Actually, I don't encourage you to do that, because whatever marks you can get, you must get. So don't leave the lines empty and then just proceed to the next one. Now, one good way is that during the first round, you may hear and you may remember. Let us say the answer has 8 words. Maybe you remember 5, The other three you just cannot remember, or you're not fast enough. Never mind, wait for the second round. When the second round comes, this question, you know that there are 8 words, or you heard 8 words. These 3 words you just fill in, so you can get a complete answer. Okay, so don't leave anything empty. Whatever it is, write. Whatever you manage to hear, you write. Okay, do not leave anything empty and then just surrender. I think that's not a good way. Okay, just write the answers. Because you can see here, you still can get 1 mark. And that 1 mark is important. Rather than to just leave it empty without writing anything. I think that's not good. Okay? As a candidate, you should not do that. You should write, listen and write whatever. Okay, whatever. Important you have written something. You are given 2 rounds. 2 times to listen. Maybe the 2 times you still cannot get it, it's okay. At least you write something. Okay? And one other reminder, final reminder. I noticed that some students like to drink water. They drink a lot of water. And they constantly, they go to the toilet. They go to the toilet. They often go to the toilet. And in fact, I see little children, primary school children, kindergarten, they bring a big bottle of water, or a container, water container, and they drink a lot of water, so they always go to the toilet. Now, it's not wrong, of course, it's okay. I'm just trying to tell you that before going to your examination hall for listening paper, please do not drink water. And in the middle of the test, wow, toilet time. That's the end of you. Because if you don't go out, what to do? But if you go out, that's the end. By the time you come back, maybe the paper is over and you lose all your marks. So it may seem unimportant to you what I'm saying, but I'm just thinking of, there are some students who drink a lot of water and they always go to the toilet. Of course, it's not wrong. It's okay. Malaysia is a hot country. Drinking a lot of water is good, but not for examination candidates. So before you enter the examination hall, maybe 1 or 2 mouthfuls, just 1 or 2 mouths, enough to make your lips and your tongue wet, that's all. After the test, 30 minutes, you can drink as much as you want and go to the toilet as often as you would like to. Okay, so this is just a reminder because this is what I noticed. Okay, so I hope you are well prepared for your listening paper. If I have the time, I will upload reading. How to, what are the things that you need to know to prepare for your reading paper. But if I don't have enough time to upload my video, I will just go straight to English paper, how to write essays. Okay, so goodbye and see you again.